Welcome. Another day, Friday today, last fucking day of this week. So always daily buys. So right now, wait, I need to do something. Okay, good. Right now, price took the December low. We created this SMT here. Actually, let me see one thing. Yeah, we took December low. Price create an SMT here. On NQ, we still have those sales liquidity here. However, right now I'm not really looking at it, but I've marked it. I just leave this line on the chart, and right now on daily for me is like it's not really clear, if I have to be honest. Looking on daily, yeah, it's not really clear for me where on daily we want to draw. But what I can see on 4 hour is that price is rising higher. We are disrespecting this 4 hour FVG on we are disrespecting this 4 hour FVG on ES. We are still in this, how to say, in this volume imbalance on wait, I'm still thinking, I'm still thinking right now about something else. Let me mark this line here. Let me 4 hour FVG. So right now we are disrespecting this volume imbalance here. Even 4 hour is not that clear, but a lower time frame is much clearer. So sync on 1 hour, I see one thing, one really important thing for me, and is the fact that we left equal lows here on 1 hour, especially on 15 minutes. Look, we left those equal lows here. There is an SMT, but we'll touch it in a moment. But we left those equal lows. Again, 1 hour. Price was accumulating here. Daily opened, manipulating this 1 hour FEG. We went higher. Price was accumulating here. We left those equal lows right now. And right now, actually, like the most cleaner for me is like 15 minutes and 5 minutes. Because we left those equal lows, I will be looking for them. I know that price will take them today, but I want to be much more precise. And what I can see is that right now, on a 5 minute, you can see that there is this market maker buy model. We left those lows. There was an SMT at 7 a.m. There was this soup, 8:30, went lower. So right now, I will be looking for a reversal actually to take those equal lows. I will be looking for lower prices right now. I'm looking for this as a manipulation to take more, like engineer more sales good here. But I'm thinking like actually I have like yeah, I will be looking for a again, I will be looking for lower prices. I will be looking for a manipulation right now higher. But I'm thinking about 4 hour closure, because actually if we are bearish, I would like to see price respect this 4 hour FEG, but it's not needed because there is this volume imbalance, so that can be the case. And also let me drag the fib, where is the fib? 4 hour fib is here. It's here. Yeah, like I'm not really clear about the scenarios, like I have some scenarios in my mind that maybe 10 the news at 10 will be utilized, like will be utilized as a manipulation. But if they are going to be utilized as a manipulation, then price is going to disrespect this 4-hour FVG. Yeah, but for me right now it looks like the news will be utilized as a manipulation, you know, seeing what price is doing right now. Yeah, I think, if I have to be honest, I actually think that there will be either price will went higher, and news will just down, like went lower and not down, would just reverse the move, or around, I don't know, 950, price will make the CSD and news will be utilized to actually continue the move, you know. Those are my two scenarios. I will be also looking if price is able to take this high. I don't know if it's able to actually do it, you know. Yeah, it's not really clear, but how I said, I will be looking for a manipulation higher to take those equal lows here. So that's it for today. Not really clear, but we are doing our best to do it, right? So yeah, seeing after the session. Enjoy. No, fuck. Take care. Like, why the fuck I said it? Like, I should okay, I'm gonna cut this shit. We after the session. Unfortunately, today we are ending the day with loss. You know, like those fucking losses like me recently. But, you know, it is what it is. We are, like, I'm not gonna lie, it hurts. But, you know, that's the fucking journey. And you will either fall in love with those lessons, or you won't, and the decision depends on you. So because it depends on me, we are doing the journal, right? So let's start with, actually, let's review what I was saying before, then we'll analyze what I should have said, because I'm gonna start like at the beginning I want to say that my bias was wrong. Actually, price went to the other way. So at the beginning I will repeat what I was looking for, then we'll dissect the things that I should have looked on but I didn't, and why they caused price to do what price did. At the end we'll discuss again, like 1 minute we'll analyze price action, and at the end we'll review my setup I took. So yeah, starting on daily. I wasn't clear on daily. I don't know if actually it wouldn't be better if I correct my mistakes already right now. Okay, no. Okay, so I didn't have a clear bias on daily. I don't know why. Because right now in the of course the hard side is like more obvious. On 4-hour, I said that price is disrespecting this 4-hour FVG. However, we are in this 4-hour invert FVG. 1 hour, on 1 hour I was looking for those equal lows here. 15 minute, yeah, those were my target, and I said that because of the fact that 830 manipulated, I would look for 9. I don't know if I said it, but because of the fact that 830 manipulated, I was looking for 9 to just expand and to see if actually, yeah, I said it, but I said that I will be looking if actually 9, the reversal will happen before 9 before 10 or after the 10. I remember that I was drawing. That was also a mistake. 5 minutes, yeah, on 5 minutes. Yeah, okay, let's just drive and do it properly right now. So looking on daily, I didn't have a bias. I don't fucking know why. I need to change that shit, because like the daily and 4-hour is really important. For you, like, I need to force this bias, you know, and just right now, because this bias will depends on the things that are happening on the lower time frame. That's why it's so fucking important. So right now, looking on daily, we can see that we took this December low, right? Price created this SMT. We took stop losses of the buyers here because people were buying here anticipating that this was just a retracement. So people were buying here. There was a lot of sell liquidity. Price took it. Bang. We took sell liquidity. Price create SMT. Who have been making money since all of this move? Sellers. What we can anticipate? We can anticipate at least some movement higher. Why? Because of this SMT, because we took sell liquidity, because there was nice reaction. Looking at this, I should have asked myself, what was more probable? Previous daily high or previous daily low? Previous daily high. Thank you. We are bullish. Okay, of course it's not that. It shouldn't look like that, but previous daily high was more, how would you say, more probable, let's say in that way. Previous daily high was more probable because of those facts that I just said. Wait, let me see if I have missed something. No, that's good. So looking at that, we already know that previous daily low, previous daily high was more probable to be taken than previous daily low. Right now we are coming into 4 hour. What we can see on 4 hour, we can see that on 4 hour price is disrespecting this 4 hour FG. Like I see that we are still in this 4 hour FG, so I still should be waiting for the 10 to close, but already knowing that previous daily high is more probable than previous daily low, we can start to make some narrative. So right now we can anticipate that if 10 close above this FEG, then we are straight bullish. If it doesn't, and if 10 close below this 4 hour FEG, then we are looking for the things, and we can, and in a moment, like for example those equal lows, right? Because I also said those equal lows. So for example, if price close below this inside this FEG, then we will be looking for equal lows, for example, like that. But already seeing that, we could anticipate this high to be taken. Why? Because who have been making money? Sellers, like of course buyers, but who have been making money for a long time, for a longer time? Sellers here. And right now we are building narrative. You see, previous daily high is more probable. Right now 4 hour, we are disrespecting this 4 hour FEG. Also one thing is that price create this FEG here, so that is also like one factor that we can consider as a showing strength. But yeah, I was looking at this volume imbalance, and I saw that price was actually respecting it, but was it creating any candles lower? No, it wasn't. What does it fucking mean? That this volume imbalance is not that strong. But maybe I was scared to be wrong. And that's why I was saying other things, and finally I ended being wrong. And that's something I need to work on, because if I will be stressed to be wrong, then I will be fucking wrong always. Because I will be stressed to like say the things that can happen, but I'm scared to say them because at the moment when I'm looking at them, they are not visible. Like, okay, never mind. But I just need to work on the shit that I need to say. Like, okay, it's hard to explain. Okay, let's go forward. So right now we are building narrative. We are seeing what was happening on 4 hour. So it was more likely to actually go higher, especially for this candle. Again, I will fucking repeat because I want to repeat that shit in your mind, because of the fact that daily was more probable to take previous daily high because of those aspects I just said. So again, okay, I'm not gonna waste your time, but and right now 4 hour, we were seeing that price was disrespecting this 4 hour FG. There wasn't any reaction. So what does it mean? That probably we are going for buy sell liquidity, which is resting above this high because of that big huge of that huge candle to the downside. So a lot of people were making money, especially sellers, right? 1 hour. Right now in 1 hour, we can see that price was accumulating, That's why I was looking for accumulation, manipulation higher, then reverse the move. But would it really fucking align with our narrative if previous daily high is more likely to be taken? It on 4 hour, we are disrespecting 4 hour FG, and 1 hour, 1 fucking hour, look. Do you see any FPGs here? Yeah, like of course this one, but do you see any FPGs here? No, I don't. I also don't see any FPG. What does fucking mean? That there is no fucking resistance here. Like the only resistance is high here, you know. Like once we take this high, price can make a again maybe deeper retracement lower than continue higher. But like this is also another thing that, and right now we are building fucking narrative. So if previous daily high, if daily is more likely to continue higher, and if 4 hour shows signs of disrespect and shows signs that we are going to disrespect this 4 hour FEG, and right now we are seeing on 1 hour that price didn't create any FEGs here, so there is no resistance for price to continue higher, and right now we are building narrative. So I said that because of this accumulation and equal highs, I will be looking for a manipulation higher to then reverse the move. But does it fucking align with our daily 4 hour and 1 hour objective? Not really. Why? Because it's more likely to continue higher, so I should be looking for a manipulation lower first to then continue higher. But right now, again, would that manipulation lower aligned with our higher time frame, with bro, it's maybe I'm going too deep in this fucking shit, and that's why I'm still not profitable, you know. But like right now, look, if daily was more bullish, if 4 hour was showing signs to go higher, if 1 hour was also showing more signs to go higher because of the fact that there was no FEG, so there was no resistance, I should be looking for a manipulation lower to then continue higher. But right now, look, it wasn't possible for price to make a manipulation lower. Why? There was this SMT, and if you take a look on 15 minute, on 5 minute, yeah, on 5 minute, let me actually pull up 5 minute. There was this market maker buy model 830 manipulated. So what we are anticipating the high to be put after the 10. And right now, if we are anticipating the high to be put after fucking 10, is it likely that price after 10, like once, for example, we take this high, is it probable that we'll reverse the move? Yes, but our narrative is aligning with higher prices, you know, and yeah, I'm going too fast. I'm going too fucking fast. Let's again come back to 1 hour. So yeah, but because of this accumulation, I was looking for those, like on 15 minutes there were equal highs, on 1 hour there wasn't equal highs, you know. There was this huge movement higher, there was 1 hour FEG, midnight didn't manipulate here, and at 7 AM there was a smart money reversal, there was also this SMT. And right now I actually neglected this SMT, you know. I saw it, but I wasn't really looking at it as a something that, you know, this is the game changer. So I wasn't looking at this SMT like that, but maybe it was it, you know. This was this fucking like this was this small shit that actually have a huge impact on the whole fucking world. Because actually midnight didn't manipulate, but 7 AM, because this is 7 AM candle, manipulate lower. So we engineered buy sell liquidity here. We also had a buy sell liquidity here. So this was enough, you know, there was SMT. And also looking at this SMT right now, it will align with our higher time frame prices, you know. Higher time frame for our higher time frame prices. So that's also really interesting, you know. But okay, 15 minutes. Yeah, but on 15 minutes those lows were clear, you know. But maybe those SMT was enough, you know. Maybe those SMT was enough. 5 minutes. Yeah, there was this market maker buy model and 830 manipulated. That's why we should expect the high to be put at 10. Yeah, that's it actually. But what I can say is that after 10, the bias was pretty clear, you know, because we disrespect this VAR FEG, we disrespect this volume imbalance here. So after 10, it was clear that we are going higher, you know, because of the fact that we disrespect this volume balance, and we disrespect this VAR FEG, and because of the buy side liquidity which was resting here. So at the end, those highs here. So after 10, the bias was clear. But I lost money before 10, so that doesn't matter. But yeah, let's actually analyze what happened here. Market maker buy model 830 manipulated here because 830 manipulated, and we still had this buy side liquidity here, and I am liquidity here. We could expect that 930 will just dump higher to take this buy side liquidity. What happened? At 930, price create this SMT here. Price create this SMT here. We went higher, went higher, went higher, went higher. 3-minute FEG, price went higher, went higher. We took this is this buy side. This buy side is Thursday IM session, but there was Thursday 10 IM, so actually I can also mark this IM liquidity to make it more clear. IM liquidity. Yeah, once price took this IM liquidity, went again into 3-minute FEG, expanded again, and then we are close to the news. Here we had IM liquidity, price was close to take it, but actually, yeah, that was also why I should wait actually. Like, despite price didn't take it, because I took the setup here, you know, I took the breaker here, and despite actually price didn't take this didn't take this IM liquidity, I should wait, you know, because price was close to it, like 24 ticks, like 10 ticks, you know, was close to it, so I should wait for price to take it. Yeah, sorry bro, that if someone is watching it, sorry that it's so fucking disorganized, you know, but I have no excuse. I just need to fucking focus, and I just need to do it better, you know. So yeah, but like, it's hard to organize, bro. It's so fucking hard to organize this video, to like make it simple for you, for me, to then rewatch it and to actually learn something from it, you know. But yeah, like right now, seeing that, yeah, you know what? Like from today, I will treat those videos as a also a place where I'm actually, if I see something, then I will actually analyze it for a moment. I won't do it. Everything's fast, so you know, it won't be. It's not going to be organized. But like, yeah, I should actually, seeing that we were close to IM liquidity, I should also wait. But what happened? Price made the CSD, and seeing the CSD here, I was actually, because of my previous bias for those equal lows, my previous bearish bias for anticipating those equal lows, seeing that CSD, I thought that because the CSD happened before. Wait, because I'm losing my mind. Wait. Okay. Before the CSD, because of the CSD and because of the news at 10, I was seeing the CSD, I was actually thinking that probably the news will smash lower to take those equal lows. Why? Because there was sell-side liquidity, you know, because previously without the things I just said, I was looking for those equal lows really hard. So seeing that there was this CSD here, I was anticipating news to just smash lower. Didn't happen. Also, the thing why it didn't happen, I think it was because of the time. Of course, because of our higher time frame narrative, but also because of the time. How I said, 8:30 fucking manipulated what we are looking for. We are looking at the 10 to put the high, and look what fucking happened. Like, price reversed after we set the high after 10, and after we took this previous 30-minute cycle high. What the fuck? It's just, yeah, man. But you know, like, when you are trading, you are not that focused, and also you don't see that shit in hindsight. So like, you need to, like, there are a lot of thoughts. So yeah, but price ended taking this high, went lower. Zosi take the short here. You know, actually I would like to ask him why he took the short here, despite we are so that close to the and again at 10. And since that also I was taking the setup here. So when I was setting the setup, I was already seeing that it was already visible that we are closing above 4-hour FEG. So that was also like showing a sign that probably, we will continue going higher, especially because of this IM liquidity. Yeah, we were closing above 4-hour FEG. There was IM liquidity, timing element. Also there was this SMT. We took 930. There was this SMT. Bro, like I should wait. I just should fucking wait. And also, at the cherry for this trade was that on funded accounts you can't trade when there are news. So like I don't know why the fuck I took this trade, but I just took it, and right now I need to analyze what I could have done better. So yeah, price ended moving higher, took previous minute cycle high. There was also SMT. Price started moving lower. There was also this breaker here. You could short it to actually anticipate the price to deliver into 4-hour invert FEG imbalance. Sorry. There was also this accumulation here, which was, I thought I was looking at this accumulation as a accumulation waiting for news, but this accumulation allowed here to make on 15 seconds this was a market maker sell model here with this accumulation here with those lows. Yeah, price went again to 4-hour invert FEG. There was a nice setup. When this setup was forming, we had equal highs, like this high and IM liquidity, so we had equal highs here. There was also a reaction from this 4-hour invert FEG. Like seeing how we close at this time on 4-hour. Seeing that we closed, this is the scandal, this is how we close at 10. Seeing that we closed like that, seeing that we still had price liquidity here, that we also close about this, how to say, volume imbalance. Like this was a nice setup to take. I just took the pictures of it. I didn't take it because I already lost my monies, and I was still looking for lower prices at the time. I don't fucking know, but this is a sign, This is why the fuck I'm doing those shit to like actually learn, Like if I have to be honest, at this time I was smart, so I wasn't really looking at, I wasn't really thinking. Let's say in a way. Yeah, this was this breaker here, standard deviations. Price was creating some liquidity here, slow movement, and once price took this high here, actually what I want to see is that was there anything why price, there was this high, price took this high. Let me actually mark this shit in that way. So price took this high. Never mind, but like price took this high. Okay, wait. This IM liquidity was much before. So yeah, like it doesn't matter. Seeing how we close on 4-hour, we would still keep our anticipations for higher prices. Previous daily high, 830 high. So right now, seeing what 5 minute was doing, seeing that we're slowly grinding higher, we made the low, price again went higher, created a SMT here, we had this low, this was the intermittent low, short-term low, what we can expect, soup here to continue higher because our higher time frame bias, like our narrative, like our objective was still higher. What happened here? Price went lower, mega soup here went higher. Also what is really interesting here is that look how price was behaving for the 10-minute cycle low. This is the previous 10-minute cycle low. This is also the, like, actually it's much cleaner on ES, but look at this. This is the 10-minute cycle low. We took this low, price close again, and look at price make a SMT on this previous, like actually let me show you that on the ES. Look, this is the 1110, and this was the previous low of this 10-minute cycle. Price took it, create this SMT, and once printed this bullish candle. I'm sure that on 15 seconds there was a nice setup to enter. Like you could, on 1 minute you could just enter here, and this would nicely align. Like this is something new that I'm learning, but having this confirmation that probably this is a 5-minute soup, seeing how we are reacting off of this previous 10-minute cycle low. This could be a nice confirmation, you know. And here end price ended moving higher. So I briefly discussed the setup I took. I briefly discussed what happened today. Let me actually see if I want to read something out. Yeah, like we can see, like we can again read the why I fucked my bias. I fucked my bias looking at daily and 4 hour, because look, on daily there was SMT, right? Yes, there was SMT. We took sell side, and after there was a nice reaction. So, and after that there was a nice reaction. Let me actually again visualize this shit. It was here. We are talking about that shit here. Talking about that reaction. So previous daily high would be more luckily than previous daily low, wouldn't it? Now going to 4 hour price was disrespecting 4 hour FVG on ES. On both pairs we still were in volume imbalance at that time, but some bullish reactions were there, seeing that ES is disrespecting 4 hour FVG. That was already showing possibility to continue higher if price closed above the FVG, right? Now going to 1 hour, there was consolidation and there was ISMT at midnight open during 7 AM smart money reversal. You could also call it just a sub, however it wasn't the cleanest one. I'm talking about, like, because right now it looks like a market maker buy model. There was this consolidation, and this could be also a sub, you know. Despite we didn't manipulate this 1 hour FEG, despite we didn't took those like 15-minute equal lows, this was a SMT, because this was a short-term low on 1 hour, and price took it, you know. So this was an intermediate term high, intermediate term low, short term low, intermediate term low, right? There wasn't any clear resistance for price, any FEG or clear or rock or breaker. And who have been making money demo, seeing this big down clowns, seeing those big down close candles on the left, probably sellers. I'm talking about those. Yeah, I'm talking about those candles, you know. This was the first one, second one, and previous daily high. Yeah, you see, and price went that close to that IM liquidity, but didn't take it. Yeah. Yeah, man, I think that's all. I think that's all what I wanted to share. We are keep fucking grinding, right? Actually, right now we are sitting at 8 wins, 11 losses. We are still in profit. It pain, like it hurts, but the journey is not going to be easy. Like, you know, I still need 1, 2, 3 years to be that good at trading as I want to be. So yeah, we are seeing tomorrow.